If you have converted the rear brakes on the back of your 1997 through 2006 TJ Wrangler and it's time to swap your pads out, this TerraFlex rear disc brake semi-metallic pad kit will be for you. I do want to mention that this will only fit the TerraFlex rear disc brake conversion kits, so just keep that in mind while you're shopping around. Nonetheless, this kit will be a great option when it comes time to maintenance that conversion kit, offering a boost in your braking performance again to help when it comes for your on and off-road adventures. Semi-metallic pads will offer some great features for your rig, especially with heavier builds, hauling, towing, and whatever higher performance situation that you may get into. Now, these will be sure to boost your stopping power compared to your current set, considering that they're probably worn, to get the performance back to where it originally was and instill more confidence for you as the driver thanks to the improvement. Now, these pads will have a composite resin semi-metallic compound which will perform well with a wide range of temperatures and have good heat resistance. So like I said, with those heavier builds, and if you have any extra load on your TJ, these are going to respond well because of that pad construction. The pads will also have reduced noise and dust, keeping you very comfortable inside of the cab and keeping maintenance down when it comes time to clean your wheels. Now, these will also be a direct swap. They come with all of the clips on the back, so you can just pop them into place. You're not gonna have to do any modifications when installing this kit, considering that these are a duplicate of what comes in the TerraFlex conversion kit originally. Now, these will come in at about $75 for the kit, being a pretty affordable price point. Now, semi-metallic pads are usually going to keep to the affordable side while offering great characteristics for heavy-duty situations, especially if you are often taking your TJ off-road. Now, these will be one of your only choices for the TerraFlex brake conversion kit, making it a great option for maintenance if you want to revitalize your TJ's braking performance. Now, install will be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, since this does consist of just pads and it should only take you about 2 hours or so to complete, about an hour per side. Now, like most pads, these will come with those clips on the back that will push into the caliper, and they will come with all the hardware needed to make the swap with only using a few basic hand tools. So that's going to wrap it up for my review of the TerraFlex rear disc brake semi-metallic pad kit, fitting all 1997 through 2006 TJ Wranglers, and you can find these right here at extremeterrain.com.